Bondi ya Injinia Bururiini matongoretio ni Muikariri Giti Silvester Abuodha Nimaugite Nimegwikira Hinya Mawatho kuri Andu Aria Mararuta Mawira Mainjinia Matire na marua ma Witikiria. Niaugite Mena Mubango wa Kuongerera namba ya Injinia kuma 3,000 nginya 10,000.
Nobody should actually add his name, engineer, to his name unless he's a registered engineer. Okay, so this maybe we need to tighten the legal framework of this, the use of the name engineer, so that we can also start persecuting these people, taking them to court. But our intention is to increase this number because the ratio of engineers to the population is still very high. Our intention is to increase this number so that we can go up to about 10,000. That's the optimum point.
Niathite na mbere na kuga me mibango-ini ya kwambiriria kothi iria ikumacenjia kuma BTech nginya Bachelor of Science niguo mahote kuyandikithia.
We want to make as many engineers as possible, those who are outside there, so that they can come and we register them in our list, so that by testing them, so we make sure they're comfortable and good engineers. One of the issues which we are discussing in this workshop we have had here is the transition of those who did Bachelor of Technology engineering courses to Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Engineering, because they can't get registered. So we are setting up courses which we can transition them from BTech so that they become BSc and BEng, and then from there we can actually register them.
Niaratariria mitaratara iria menayo niguo guteithia engineer ethi riria marikia mathomo mao niguo kumahe uge na umenyo makiria.
Young engineers who have come out from the universities, the Engineers Board of Kenya has introduced a graduate engineers internship program so that they can have these young engineers and put them in construction projects or on design offices while we pay them a small amount of money so they can get some experience.
Oho, Niaugite thirikari irenda kunyitirira wira wa Injinia Bururiini niguo andu matige gwetha mawira macio na nja na niguo monjorithie bururi.
If the person is available in Kenya, then we would like you to use the engineer. Currently, you know, the government insists that always there must be 40% local participation. But you know, sometimes this is also abused. Somebody says, if I buy cement, this is local participation. If I buy steel, this is local participation. Whereas it should be the personnel also, we should have as many as 40%.
Kirifotera Muringi TV, Geto wa Geshi wa Washira.
Nake Minister